Hi, I'm Kurt Schmucker from Parallels, and I'm going to show you some of the new features in Parallels Desktop 14. In Parallels Desktop 13, we first showed support for the Touch Bar on the MacBook Pro. In Parallels Desktop 14, we've added built-in support for more apps like Visio and OneNote, some CAD/CAM apps, and even Visual Studio. We've also added one more way for users to design their own Touch Bar buttons. Let me show you how this works. You can't see my Touch Bar, so I have a utility here called Touche, which shows the Touch Bar on my screen. When Windows is the frontmost application, we put the items on the Windows taskbar in the Touch Bar on the Mac. If you launch an application and it has built-in support, those will be shown automatically. If you launch an application that has no built-in support, you'll get the generic Touch Bar buttons. If you want to design your own, you go to the View menu, connect, do Touch Bar button support, and just drag whatever buttons you want down to the Touch Bar to add them and support like this. This is a very easy mechanism. This is the Apple interface for Touch Bar design, and it's great in terms of ease of use and simplicity. But to get that ease of use and simplicity, they had to give up some power. Our users asked us, hey, what if I want a button that's not on this screen? What do I do? So that's where we've decided to add something in Parallels Desktop 14. If you're willing to write a little bit of XML code, you can design whatever buttons you want in the Touch Bar. Here, I'm showing you what I've designed for the application Notepad++. I've added 5 buttons to the Touch Bar, and I made them the color and the text I wanted, and those buttons hook into the application automatically. You can do this too. It's not that difficult. Just write this file, drop it in a special place in the Windows VM, and when you reboot, that application will now have Touch Bar button support. This is unique to Parallels Desktop. You can't do this sort of thing for a Mac app. You can't do this with other applications, only with Parallels Desktop. We're really pleased to bring this power to our users, and we're looking forward to seeing what they do with it in the future. Thank you very much.